You must welcome in Global Spoken English.
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
First of all, I would like to thank my respected teachers who gave me a golden chance to speak in front of you. I am Muhammad Aslan Khan. I hail from Kosi and I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. Today I am going to talk about Jamia Ahmadiyya Rizviyah. Jamia Ahmadiyya Rizviyah is an Islamic madrasa of Sunni Barelvi which is situated in Kalimuddin to Ghosi, district Mou, state of Uttar Pradesh. It was established by Huzur Mohdise Kabir, Allama Ziaul Mustafa Qadri, son of 19th century Faqih, Huzur Mufti Amjad Ali Azmi. This institution is famous in all over world for its education system and discipline. It is founded by Huzur Taj Sharia Allama Akhtar Raza Khan Azhari in 2 Zulqa'dah 1402 Hijri on the glorious operation of Urse Amjadi. Educational work started in Jamia Ahmadiyya 21st July 1985. After some time, this institution became famous in all over world. With the help of Allah, Jamia Ahmadiyya Rizviyah is running very well and spread their light with the good management of Allama Mustafa Qadri. All subjects are taught in Jamia Ahmadiyya Rizviyah like Arabic, Urdu, Farsi, literature, computers, but nowadays English is also being taught in that madrasa. I was also a student of this madrasa, but that time English was not properly, but this time English is very good, and this credit goes to my honorable teacher, to Ghulam Nabi sir, because last year the manager of Jamia Ahmadiyya called to Ghulam Nabi sir and he said to him, I want you to teach in my madrasa because you are the best English teacher in Mou district. And I know very well you have 3 branches. 2 branches are in Ghosi and 1 branch is in Kopaganj. And there are hundreds of students read in every branch. And there are many greatest teachers in every branches. So I would like you to teach in my seminary. So Ghulam Nabi sir said to him, okay, I am ready for teaching because English is very important for everybody. And if you know how to speak English, you can explain your talk to everybody. And if you don't know how to speak English, you will have to face many problems. And this time English is very good in Jamia Ahmadiyya Rizviyah. And Jamia Ahmadiyya Rizviyah has 3 big hostels. Each hostel has more than 100 of rooms. And there are 1 biggest dining hall. And there are 2 VIP rooms. Because some students come from foreign countries like America, Africa, London, Australia, and another country. So they live in that room, and there are many facilities in Ahmadiyya. And Jamia Ahmadiyya, every year in Jamia Ahmadiyya, more than 100 of students complete their studies, and they go anywhere and spread the light. And Alhamdulillah, Jamia Ahmadiyya is running very well, and Jamia Ahmadiyya has completed 40 years. Now I would like to finish my topic. Thank you so much for listening.